Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going back to one of the most legendary muscle cars in American history, the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, finished in a bold and eye-catching yellow exterior. This is not just a classic car, it's an icon of the golden muscle car era. The Z28 badge means performance, racing heritage, and raw driving emotion. And in this bright yellow color, it looks even more aggressive, like it was built to dominate the street and the track at the same time. Let's dive into it. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 1969 Camaro Z28 is one of the most aggressive-looking muscle cars of its time. The yellow paint gives it a loud, energetic personality that perfectly matches its performance nature. It stands out instantly, whether parked or moving. At the front, you get a long, low hood paired with a bold split grille design. The twin headlights on each side give it a focused, determined look. The front bumper is simple but strong, adding to the muscular identity of the car. The hood is one of the highlights. It often features a racing-style hood stripe or optional hood scoop on Z28 models. These details hint at the performance hiding underneath. From the side, the Camaro Z28 shows its true muscle car stance. It sits low, wide, and ready to move. The long front fenders and short rear deck create a perfect performance proportion. The yellow color highlights every curve and sharp body line, making the car look even more aggressive. Classic chrome trim around the windows and along the body adds just enough shine to balance the sporty design. The wheels are simple but strong, often paired with performance tires that enhance grip and road presence. At the rear, the design is clean and iconic. You get the signature round tail lights, dual exhausts, and a slightly raised stance that gives it a ready-to-launch appearance. It's simple, but it's unforgettable. Interior. Now stepping inside, the Camaro Z28 keeps things classic and driver-focused. The interior is not about luxury, it's about performance and control. The seats are firm and supportive, designed to hold the driver in place during spirited driving. Upholstery is typically vinyl or cloth depending on configuration, and the black interior contrasts nicely with the bold yellow exterior. The dashboard is straightforward and functional. You get analog gauges, including a large speedometer and tachometer that are easy to read while driving. Everything is laid out clearly with no distractions. The steering wheel is thin and simple, designed for direct road feedback. It gives the driver a strong connection to the car, which is exactly what a muscle car is supposed to do. The center console is minimal, featuring basic controls for ventilation and essential functions. There's no unnecessary technology, just pure driving focus. Even though it's simple, the interior still has a strong sense of character. The cabin feels tight, purposeful, and ready for action. Performance. Now let's talk about what makes the 1969 Camaro Z28 truly special: performance. Under the hood sits a 302 cubic inch high-revving V8 engine, specially designed for racing homologation in the Trans Am series. This engine is known for its ability to rev high and stay strong under pressure. It produces around 290 horsepower officially, but many enthusiasts believe the real output was higher in real-world conditions. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this car delivers a fully engaging driving experience. Every gear shift feels mechanical and direct, giving the driver complete control over power delivery. Unlike big-block muscle cars that rely on low-end torque, the Z28 is all about high RPM performance. It loves to be pushed hard, rewarding drivers who know how to keep it in its power band. Acceleration is strong, but the real excitement comes from how the engine screams as it climbs through the rev range. The sound is raw, mechanical, and unforgettable. Suspension tuning was also upgraded for racing purposes, giving it sharper handling than many other muscle cars of its era. It feels more precise and track-focused, especially for a late 60s American car. Driving the 1969 Camaro Z28 is an emotional experience. The moment you turn the key, the engine comes alive with a deep mechanical rumble. There's no silence here, just pure V8 character. On the road, the car feels connected and raw. You hear everything, the engine, the exhaust, even the mechanical movement of the drivetrain. It's not refined like modern cars, but that's exactly what makes it special. The steering is heavy but direct, giving you a real sense of connection with the road. Corners require skill, but when driven properly, the Z28 feels balanced and responsive. The suspension is firm, and you feel the road surface clearly, but that adds to the experience rather than taking away from it. This is not a car you simply drive, it's a car you experience. Every acceleration, every gear shift, every rev feels alive. Collector value. Today, the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is one of the most desirable classic muscle cars in the collector world. Its combination of rarity, racing history, and iconic design makes it extremely valuable. Depending on condition, originality, and restoration quality, prices can vary significantly. A well-maintained example can range from around $80,000, while fully restored or rare spec models can go well beyond $150,000 or more. Special factory correct versions, especially with matching numbers and original components, are highly sought after by collectors and museums. The yellow color option also adds visual appeal, making it even more desirable among enthusiasts who love bold classic muscle car aesthetics. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is not just a muscle car. It's a legend that represents the peak of American performance engineering from the golden era. The Chevrolet Camaro Z28 delivers everything enthusiasts love: aggressive styling, high-revving V8 power, raw driving feel, and timeless design that still turns heads today. It's loud, it's mechanical, it's demanding, but that's exactly why it's unforgettable. In a world of modern digital cars, the Z28 stands as a reminder of what pure driving passion feels like. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more classic muscle car content. And drop a comment below: would you take this 1969 Camaro Z28 over modern sports cars?